We are here, and what we here in Sedona, Arizona. It's about 1 hour drive from Prescott, Arizona, where I am. This has been one of my pilgrimage, sacred place. I have come here probably by now 24 times, and there are many spots here for swimming, just meditating, cooling down. Um, and as we were showing this morning, that this particular valley is very important because there are higher mountains in like the San Francisco Peak in Flagstaff area. They are like 8,000, 9,000 to 13,000 feet high. And then after this, there will be more low altitude desert. So this river is running right in the middle. And it is creating the conditions for life, for plants, for animals, for bugs, for humans, and also even to agriculture due to this moisture. So I thought it will be appropriate to introduce the idea of water planet. And within the Annapurna abundance, we want to talk about water planet, food planet, soil planet, energy planet, climate planet, introduce it that way. And this is a amazing idea, a place that we have come today to talk about water planet. And yes, we can read in thousands and thousands of reports on climate that climate is basically impacted by water flow, waterways, and also will impact water. It's both ways, right? That something happened to the waterways, that's why climate is disrupted. Since the climate is disrupted, something else will happen to the water, and most of this is negative. So that is why regenerating the water element and the waterways, how the river runs, and water should be looked at as a verb, and we should have an understanding of how the water moves in the landscape, not as a noun, fixed. No, it's a verb. So how to make learning learning as a verb and water as a verb, food as a verb. You see, that's the Annapurna abundance idea about how to look at new eyes about water, new appreciation about water, and understanding its dynamic as a verb of energy that needs to flow. The more you stagnate it, you are killing it. You see? So, there are three kinds of water. One is called the blue water, that is we see in the river, in the ponds, in the lake, in the ocean. That's the blue water. That's easy to see, right? But then there is the green water that we do not see, but it is the essence of, like the water element in our body. It's not blue water, it's green water. The water moisture in the soil, that is green water. The water inside the trunk of this tree, in the leaves, right? That makes it photosynthesis happen, that is called green water. So now we need our focus on not only the blue water, what is we see, but also green water. Then there is the third one, even more mysterious, that people like Sadhguru will be able to explain, maybe not, even he might not know it. It's called the atmospheric water. That's the cloud. Cloud never dies. Where does it disappear? Why does it carry all that moisture and rain and all the thunder comes, right? The Lord Indra's domain. It's the atmospheric water. And when we are imagining the Himalayas and the Annapurna range, they are actually also the function of water. They are the waterways, right? The snow melts, the temperature regulates, then the rain happens and the flood happens. We will discuss more about that. So anyway, in Nepal, one of my friends and partner of in the network of Annapurna Abundance, Annapurna University, Dr. Kulraj Chalise from Pokhara has been doing very deep study of what is that atmospheric water that is out there in the air and the cloud, and how does that regulate. So Dr. Kulraj Chalise, we might be able to have a session, one segment about the atmospheric water, and he also has done amazing work on allowing Kali Gandaki to flow rather than putting too many dams. So we hope to ask him to do a segment on atmospheric water, and I am so pleased that in the right spot we are able to introduce the idea of the importance of water planet. Can I say that again? We need to look at this world as a combination of water planet, food planet, energy planet, climate planet, and by doing that, hopefully in different segments, we might be able to create that composite picture of the biosphere. Thank you so much. 612?